Hello guys, hola chavales. Today we're going to talk about another verb and its meanings. The verb quedar and quedarse. Quedarse is the reflexive form of the verb quedar. Well, this verb doesn't have just one meaning. It has lots of meanings. So that's why we cannot translate it directly to something. So we're going to know now how to use it in sentences and how it's used in Spain with natives. So, first, the verb quedar talks about some things to be located. Like, for example, the hotel is located or situated at 200 kilometers, which means el hotel queda a 200 kilómetros. We are talking about the location of something. It can be used with the verb estar and the verb quedar as well. The second one is to agree on something. Quedar en algo. For example, quedamos en que el martes vamos a ir de fiestas, chavales. We agreed that Tuesday we are going to party, guys. So, quedar en algo means to agree on something. Now, we talk about something that is left, or we are left with something. We use the verb quedar as well, but in the impersonal form, in the third person of the singular and the plural. So, queda leche en la nevera. Quedan 30 minutos para llegar al centro comercial. There is milk left in the fridge. There is 30 minutes left to get to the mall. The fourth one is to meet or to hang out. ¿Quedamos esta tarde? Hoy voy a quedar con Marina. We go out this afternoon. Today I'm going out or meeting or hanging out with Marina. So here the verb quedar con alguien, means to meet someone, to go out and hang out. The next one is that something suits you, looks very good on you. We use it with the verb quedar, and in its impersonal form as well. So, esa camiseta te queda muy bien. This t-shirt looks good on you. Esos zapatos le quedan mejor. These shoes suit him better. Now, we use the verb quedar as well to leave a good or a bad impression on someone. For example, ayer cuando fui a la entrevista, quedé bien con el jefe. Creo que me van a coger. I'm going to read it again slower. Ayer cuando fui a la entrevista, quedé bien con el jefe. Creo que me van a coger. Yesterday, when I went to the interview, I left a good impression on the boss. I think they will take me. To stay is used with the verb quedarse in its reflective forms. So, quedar means like to hang out with someone, quedar con alguien. But quedarse en un lugar means to stay in that place. Esa noche me quedo en casa porque tengo que estudiar. Tonight I'm staying at home because I have to study, sadly. Quedarse más gerundio is to be left doing something. Like we saw the verb estar más gerundio, which means the present continuous. Here, quedarse más gerundio, it means that I was left doing something, or to remain doing something. For example, se queda leyendo este libro y no le apetece salir con nosotros. He's staying at home reading this book and he doesn't feel like going out with us. Well, too bad for him. Number 9. Quedarse con algo. Quedarse con algo is to keep something to yourself. Nos quedamos con este tema porque el otro no nos parece más difícil. We're keeping this subject because the other one seems more difficult. Or for example, me quedo con la chaqueta. I'm keeping this jacket. Or me quedo con este plato. I'm good with this plate because the other one isn't good for me. So always me quedo, te quedas, se queda. Nos quedamos, os quedáis, se quedan. The verb quedarse plus an adjective. When we add an adjective to this verb, we are expressing a change in the emotional or physical status that took long effect. For example, se ha quedado calvo. He remained like bald. It's something that it took time to happen, but it's not going to change anytime soon. So we say he became bald, but here it's an expression of a change in his state. So we use it with quedarse, quedarse calvo. Ayer después de escuchar las noticias me quedé triste. Yesterday after hearing the news I remained sad. When hearing something, it's not for a long term, but with the emotional state you can say that you were left sad after hearing something or after experiencing a bad experience with something. The next one, we're going to see here about the conjugation form. So, quedar is conjugated like that. Yo quedo, tú quedas, él, ella queda. Nosotros quedamos, vosotros quedáis, ellos, ellas quedan. In the reflexive form it becomes me quedo, te quedas, se queda. Nos quedamos, os quedáis, se quedan. And that's it, guys. I know it's a bit difficult, this verb, because it has like 10 meanings and a lot more in the real academic Spanish. But, well, we're going to try to make it simple for you. And these 10 uses are the most famous ones in Spain and the most used ones. So I hope you like this video. And don't forget, guys, to contact me on Instagram if you need the slides or the booklet. And don't forget to subscribe. Deal. See you in the next video. Ciao.